You almost got it. You almost got it.
You got tired? Emma.
Oh, she's gonna fall asleep.
Uh-oh, you tired? Show us your new trick. Show us your trick.
One more time. One more time.
Show us your trick.
There
we go. Can you go back the other way?
Can you go back this way? Can you roll back this way? Oh, goodness. You want to be picked up? Go.